traveler. You see how much yard you have back behind there. Here's our yard set up. As you can see, it's pretty nice. Guess we're going right back there. Might get real bumpy now. Right back here. It rains real hard. This little ditch here fills with water. I'd be sorry. We're leaving the Annex part right here. The campground, as you can see, right on Golf Course Avenue. Big sign here. It says Famcamp registration, Famcamp Annex. Straight ahead there. Here we're coming up on the Famcamp office. Over to your right is going to be the new outdoor recreation. That's where they're going to have the new Famcamp office, recreation stuff you can check out. A little bit of traffic jam, not usually like this. They're just dropping off supplies to the building. It should be done by fall 2019. As you can see over to the left is the Famcamp main part. These first 4 rows here, as you see all the way down, are 14-day stays. You don't need reservations for those. First come, first serve, 14 days at a time. Then you can sign up for another 14 days as long as there's spaces on active duty. Right now, as of February 2019, this is the Famcamp registration office where you sign in at. People in here are very friendly. This is also where you pick up your UPS packages, FedEx packages. I'll take you to the mailroom after this. I'm going to go in and check my UPS packages. There's the dog. I like him. You can see it by the flag. He sits up there. I don't know if it's the same one or not. There's one here last winter. Now there's one there. As you can see, the sign over here talks about manatee, caution boaters. This is the main Famcamp area. As you can see, they're set a lot closer. They have a shower house and a bath house over here. The other one doesn't, but I much prefer that one. As you can see, this one also has all different kinds of camping facilities. Tent area over the left. Dumping, fill fresh water. Tent area. Dog park. And this building up here, straight ahead to the left, about straight ahead I guess, it's the showers, restroom in the back, big laundry facility, just like any other laundry facility. Nice big building, open all the time. You can use it whenever you want, as long as their custodians aren't there. Oh, boondocks. Boondocks here. They are RV mobile service. They've done work for me. They're very, very good. Very good. So I'm putting big word in for boondocks. So if you're ever camped here and need something done, mobile service, recommend Boondocks. Boondocks Mobile RV Service. They come to the base, Famcamp, and they do about everything. They do a very good job. They had some work. I've done some work for me. I've got some more work to do. As you can see, back here in the back, this is the owner, the guy wearing the orange and black shirt. He does most of the work. As you can see, they have all kinds of materials in there. They are equipped to do anything, like it says on the back. So I'm putting a big shout out for Boondocks RV Service, Florida RV Trade Association, certified RV technician. Like the back says, LP systems, water heater. They've replaced a black belt for me. They're going to do some welding on the back of my RV for me. Matter of fact, they're going to do that today. But they take care about anything. So, putting a big shout out for Boondocks Mobile RV Service. So, boondocksmobilerv.com. Okay, now we're going to go up here by the marina. We hit the marina. You can rent boats here, but you have to take their boat license test, which is really pretty easy. But first, I'm going to stop into the mail room, check mail. They have certain hours that people are there to put the packages in there, but this is where you get the regular mailbox. I'm going to show you in here. Open the door here. Then you check in. You're going to be here for a while. You can get a mailbox key, $20 deposit. And if you have a package somewhere over there, they put it inside of your box and you take it over there. And you can, it used to be here, but and when you get ready to leave, you give back the key and you get your $20 deposit back. So this is mail room. It's in main Famcamp. Now we're going to make a trip to commissary. As you can see, there's a city bus that comes on with you downtown Tampa. We did it once last year. It was an experience. Put it to you that way. Here's the commissary. It's at the front of the base. You can see it's just like every other commissary. It says commissary here. This is a normal commissary. Got saplings. There's this other stuff. See the side there, they got a lot of flowers in there. We'll go through the commissary here in just a minute. You see, it's just like every other commissary. Commissary. They sell flowers right at the door. As you can see, they sell a lot of flowers. Very big commissary. They all have a lot of specials around here. Pretty nice commissary. They got a lot of stuff here. They got a deli back there. They got a bakery up front. Nice garden fresh area. Big meat department. Sodas and chips. Just kind of an overview of what they've got here. Like they say, thank you for shopping at the commissary. There's the bakery. All the things. As you can see. Again, as you can see, very large selection. Very nice commissary. Prices are comparable to Walmart. They're cheaper than going to Publix. Publix is about 5 miles off base, but you know, Publix compared to other places.